This is the pandemic reality at some workplaces around the Bay Area. Little diagrams on the elevator floor with people carefully moving to their spots. Signs limit the number of riders. People push buttons with their elbows, and lots of reminders to maintain social distance while you wait.
I understand the anxiety is high, but the reality is that risk in the elevators is quite low.
That's Joe Allen, a Harvard public health expert who says riding an elevator, even with other people on board, is relatively safe if you take precautions. Allen's top tips: always wear your mask. Don't talk when you get on the elevator unless it is absolutely necessary. And if you have to cough or you have to sneeze, turn and face the wall and do it into your elbow.
And that'll go a long way in keeping airborne viral particles low for that short ride.
There have been so many questions about COVID-19 and elevators. Allen even has a Facebook video with more advice.
Load in a checkerboard pattern and maximize spacing. Everyone should face forward. Announce your own floor.
28, please.
But the person who is closest to the buttons should push them and use your knuckles.
If you do touch something, many buildings now have hand sanitizer near the elevators. Some elevator companies are selling buttons you can tap with your feet and new improved air purifiers.
We know how this virus is spread. That means we know which controls should line up to prevent the spread.
Even so, many of the Bay Area's tallest office buildings are still mostly empty because of public safety restrictions. ThyssenKrupp is one of the Bay Area's largest elevator providers, with thousands of elevators digitally connected to monitor activity. The company says Bay Area elevator use was at its lowest in mid-April and is rising slowly. During the last week of August, the number of ThyssenKrupp elevator trips in San Francisco office buildings was just 23% of normal. In San Jose, 40%. In Oakland, 46%. And it's likely most of the elevator cars on each trip up and down were not full. The company's high-tech system can assign people to specific elevator cars.
Elevator traffic is down across the board. So what that allows us to do is actually reprogram those elevators so it doesn't direct people to maximize or fill the elevator up, but only direct 4 or less people onto a cabin so they have room in that cabin to socially distance.
Another big elevator company called Schindler is also using its advanced systems to make rides safer. At the Post Montgomery building in San Francisco, employees have Schindler pre-programmed cards that tell the elevator which floor they work on without pushing buttons. Schindler is now piloting the next phase, using smartphones.
We can put Bluetooth beacons inside the devices, and it'll connect to your phone through a Schindler app. So you could actually maintain your social distance in the lobby and enter your call using your own smartphone.
California regulations that are slowing the return to work are also allowing more time to get innovations in place. But employers have a critical role as well.
Companies are going to have to do their job in terms of extending the workday so we can have staggered arrivals and departures and de-densifying the office.
No matter what elevator enhancements turn up, experts say you should still use your common sense. So if the elevator comes and it's crowded, just skip it and get on the next one. Kamasi Aaron, ABC 7 News.